Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Crystal Joy Tugbo. At ngayong araw ay tatalakayin natin ang tungkol sa kasaysayan ng Arnis. Bago ang lahat, ano nga ba ang Arnis? Ang Arnis ay tinuturing na pambansang laro ng Pilipinas dahil ito ay may malalim at nakasaysayan sa ating kultura, tradisyon at kasarilan. Ang Arnis ay nilikha ng mga katutubo ng Pilipinas na gumagamit ng iba't ibang mga sandata para sa labanan at pagtatanggol sa sarili. So, ang Arnis daw po is ginagamit bilang self-defense nating mga Pilipino. Ito po ay martial arts natin dito sa Pilipinas. Ngayon naman po, tatalakayin naman natin ang kasaysayan ng Arnis. Una ay ang pre-colonial period. Ito ay noong before 1500s. Dito po ang Arnis daw ay kilala rin bilang skrima or kali. Originated na sistema ng self-defense na ginagamit ng mga indigenous Filipino. Ang pangalawa naman po ay ang Spanish colonial period. Ito ay noong taong 1565 hanggang 1898. Dito man po is during the Spanish colonization, Filipinos use Arnis as a means of resisting foreign rules. Arnis was often practiced secretly under the guise of traditional dance to avoid detection by Spanish authorities. Arnis as a form of resistance and guerrilla warfare against Spanish rule. The martial arts became known for its use of sticks, baston, blades, and empty hand techniques. Ang pangatlo naman po ay American colonial period. Ito ay noong taong 1898 hanggang 1946. During the American occupation of the Philippines, ang Arnis po ay inintroduce sa US military. Filipino martial artists shared their combat techniques with American soldiers, leading the great recognition of Arnis as a martial art. Ang Arnis po ay nag-gain ng recognition sa labas ng Pilipinas, with Filipino martial arts being taught in US military personnel and formalized martial arts schools being established. Fourth is post-World War II and 20th century development. This is the year 1946 and 1970s. Following World War II, Arnis underwent formalization into distinct systems such as Doce Pares, Kale, and Eskrima. This system became popular and spread internationally, particularly in martial arts communities. The formalization of Arnis into schools and systems such as Doce Pares and the development of different styles and techniques. Fifth is Arnis became the national martial arts of the Philippines. This is the year 2009. On December 11, 2009, the Philippine Congress is officially declared na ang Arnis is a martial arts and the sports ng Pilipinas. This recognition helped elevate its status worldwide and promote its practice in international competitions. Arnis is officially recognized by the Philippine government as the national martial arts and sports, reflecting its cultural importance. The last is the modern days, which is of 21st century. Arnis continues to grow globally with schools, tournaments, and exhibition worldwide. It is practiced for self-defense, physical fitness, and cultural prevention. Arnis is now taught in martial arts school across the globe, and it has been integrated into various martial arts styles and law law enforcement's training program.